Welcome back again, guys. Like I said in the last video, I'll be talking about another amazing platform that you can use to perform a lot of web security maintenance. Like I said in the last video, we'll be talking about application security, cloud security, and of course vulnerability tests on our website, our code, and so on. So with the help of this a platform called Tenable, you can actually perform a lot of application security regardless of the numbers of applications that you want to test. And of course, you can perform cloud security compliance, as you can see in the solution tab of the home page. So now let's talk about the website. To get to this website, you just need to go to tenable.com, and then it's going to take you directly to the home page. So this is the home page of the website, as you can see. Now I'm going to scroll down so you guys can see what we have. As you can see here, it says Tenable is the answer to the two questions every CISO should be constantly asking: are my domains adequately secured? As you can see right here. And how can I independently prove it? So with the help of this platform, you can get to check how secure your domain is, and you can also run application security, like I said in the beginning of this video. So if you click on the product section, you're going to see a lot of things that you need to know about Tenable, and you're going to see web app scanning. It also performs web app scanning, and of course container security and so on. Now to get to see the solution, that is what you can actually use Tenable to actually do. You can actually use it for application security, as you can see. So that's the first thing on the list, so which we are going to be opening a new tab. And also you can perform cloud security as well. And here you can see legacy versus risk-based VM comparison. And also you can see a ransomware, and you can see vulnerability assessment, and of course vulnerability management. Now let's talk about the first one, which is actually application security, which you can see it says web applications remain the most common source of breaches in 2017. So now you can see that you need to make sure that your let's take these off the screen. So you need to make sure that your web app is very, very secure, and this is where Tenable actually comes in. So with the help of this, you can get to perform security tests in your app to find out if there's any vulnerability. You can decide to see if there's any malicious scripts or bugs that needs to be properly fixed in your web applications. There it says that number one, you identify cloud assets in a dynamic environment, and the second one, you're going to assess. That this implies that you're going to scan templates and deploy models. And the third one is prioritize vulnerability remediation based on business risks, remediate, and of course measure. So guys, there are a lot of things you can use Tenable to perform. So what I want you guys to do is that if you really want to know more about this amazing platform, I think the best thing you need to do is to go to tenable.com, and then you get to see everything you need to know. So you can decide to contact the support as well if you have any question, and you can decide to use the support button to ask your question. So this is really a very wonderful platform, and I can guarantee you that with the help of this, you can keep your web applications fully secure, and also you can also get cloud security as well, as you can see right here, cloud security. So you can try them for free to actually see how it works. There's actually a free trial for any of these. So if you are okay with the package, you can then decide to buy. And let's take a look at how much it actually costs to get these As you can see, it is not really a cheap stuff. The first year you're going to be spending about $3,200 for 1 year license, and this is actually for the Nexus Pro. So you can decide to check this out yourself to see if you are okay with it. So guys, that's all for this little review or little things you need to know about Tenable. I will see you guys in the next video where we'll talk about more other interesting and amazing web security tool that you can actually use to secure your web applications, and of course your coding as well.